today's video is a cook and clean with me video, and as if you can see, I have to clean out my kitchen. There's just stuff everywhere. We were doing crafts, Mother's Day crafts, so I have stuff everywhere, so I want to clean it up so I have a clean slate before I start my dinner. So I am making beef tacos, and I am going to grind up some of my meat because that's how we do it. And I have sirloin tip roast here, so I'm gonna cut it up and put it through the meat grinder. Totally thought my camera was on. So I had cut up some onions and orange pepper, and I'm going to saute this, and I'm going to add the beef with seasoning. I also make my own taco seasoning. I think I have some, but I will double check. But you want the onion to be translucent before you add the meat in. I do have the taco seasoning. I will link the recipe for it down below. I am going to make some homemade guac, and you need a tomato, avocados, lime juice, some onion. I'm actually going to grab red onion. I thought that was a red onion. And some fresh cilantro. So here are all the trimmings. So I will be having mine on a bed of spinach. The kids are having taco shells with some lettuce. There's just some chopped up onion here if anybody wants. I'm using Greek yogurt, the 5% instead of sour cream, just because I don't have any, but it tastes the same. Some cheese, the homemade salsa, and the guac, and here is the meat. So we're gonna eat and then I'm gonna clean the kitchen. So we are done dinner. The kids have emptied the dishwasher and now I am going to clean the kitchen. My husband is gone to take my daughter to dance. So off to clean up this mess. Is done. I just have to vacuum up the floor, but that's actually gonna be my son that's gonna do it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.